It's 4th of May and I've read the newspaper so that you don't have to. Let's see what happened in India and around the world in the last 24 hours in less than 2 minutes. Part 2. In part 1, we've already discussed the election results. Go quickly and watch the same. This is me discussing the rest of the news. Internationally, OPEC Plus has declared that it will raise its output oil production, especially in the growing shortages of oil crisis in the West Asian situation. However, this announcement seems more likely to be just on paper because the Strait of Hormuz is choked at the moment. This was taken by 7 active members out of the 21 members of OPEC Plus and is likely a show of power than something of an actual practice, as they want to prove that despite UAE's exit, OPEC Plus is what controls oil production globally. In another news, nationally, Vinesh Fogart, who is a very renowned wrestler, has alleged sexual harassment by the former BJP MP, who was also the ex-president of Wrestling Federation of India, Brij Bhushan, and has said that as she's making a comeback after 20 months to the mat for the wrestling competition, she feels threatened, she feels pressurized, and she's making this announcement to guaranteed have some kind of protection from the government, as the government will be responsible if anything happens to her. The Wrestling Federation of India has assured her and her team's safety. In the region, Akal Takht has summoned the Punjab Speaker over clause by clause discussion of the anti-sacrilege law because they feel that the government had made a very hasty decision with it. The law is capable of being misused and misinterpreted by the government against the rivals and adversaries. They've also questioned as to why was the Panth not suggested or asked before such kind of a law actually came into practice, whereas CM Bhagwant Mann is defending the law as something necessary for the state of Punjab. This is it for today, and I will see you with new headlines tomorrow.